Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how I take this large piece of Schedule 40 PVC and make it into a flat piece of PVC. Let's get started. The simplest and cheapest way to make this flat, you got a cinder block, you got my 4-inch PVC, which I put a cut in it, and it's 18.5 inches tall. You got my 6-inch stovepipe, which is a little taller. That's plywood, just drilled out a hole. And my heat. Put that in there. We're going to turn it on and wait about 4 minutes. Alright, so this is the flat PVC, and I'm going to start using these for my homemade boat projects. Really enjoy doing those, so I can get away from the plywood. I did burn it accidentally because I was messing with the camera. That's naughty on my part. So a couple tips. First one, check on it every minute or so, and you can tell when it starts to get kind of loose. I guess loose is the best term. And after about 3 minutes or so, I will flip it over to make sure both sides are the same, and get ready for me to put it on the concrete. Alright, that's about it. So I will put a link in the description below if you want to see the boat projects that I have done, and please subscribe if you want to see the future boat projects that I'm going to do. So, alright, thank you for watching as always. Take care, and God bless.